Hello again, it's Noob, and I have a BOZZYS safety cable padlock, which I think kind of looks kind of cool with its sort of little rivets and its sort of stripes, warning stripes here, danger locked out, do not remove. And this is for locking out electronic devices, machines, gates, anything that houses something that could potentially be dangerous or hazardous if it's used by accident. These are designed to be high security locks. They're plastic bodies in case they need to be broken in an emergency, I believe. It's not my area of expertise, so correct me if I'm wrong. And I got this off AliExpress. I think it was about £6 to £8, somewhere between the $8 to $10 US or thereabouts. And not a sponsor at all, so shop around if you want one of these. But I kind of like the look of them, and these cable locks are relatively unusual. The quality of this feels not too bad, and the English on the instructions is really clear. The packaging's quite nice, so this is a bit of a step change to some of the locks I see on AliExpress, that's for sure. It even comes with a few sort of lockout tags here and some cable ties, and the idea is that you would pop this through here, and then that would, you know, say what you're actually locking out and the reason why, I guess. Again, not my area of expertise. Don't listen to me for electronic safety devices. It's electronic device safety. Really not that guy. The keys are quite good. The bitting isn't bad. You know, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pins. Although that is very harsh. If you look at the cuts on that, it's like really angular, isn't it? Very tooth-like. But it is smooth in the lock, and it does unlock. You'll notice that even unlocked, the cable doesn't pull through easily until you push up, and then it's it flows through very, very smoothly indeed. It's a little superfluous. You can pull on this, but it's a bit firm. If you just move that switch up, it's a lot smoother, as you can see. I don't think this works particularly well as a device. It should really stay locked down, maybe under spring pressure, unless you push up. That would work better, but as it stands, it just means it's a little harder to pull through when it's unlocked, but impossible actually to pull through when it is locked, I found, which is really good. So yeah, I can't gut this, it's all riveted shut. If this video is popular enough and people want to see the insides, maybe I'll break one open and we'll see what the little, I'm assuming, kick cylinder is in there. But other than that, I'm just going to pop this in a vise and see if we can't pick it. So we are in the vise. Here's the key. Again, like I said, nice bitting, very high, very low, maximum adjacent cuts, cascade from sort of a medium cut all the way down to a very low cut. So, you know, the deeper the cut, the longer the key pin, the shallower the cut, the shorter the key pin. We'll also be locked up. I don't know if this will get in the way, but this is a bit of cable, but I've got a 1mm turning tool, a little pry bar there. That fits in, and the cable's not in our way. I'm going to go in with a medium hook and see what I can feel. So 6, nothing, 5, nothing, 4, nothing, 3, nothing, 2's binding, little click, 1's binding heavily now. Wow, that's really high set. Little click, nothing on 5, sorry, nothing on 6, nothing on 5, nothing on 4, 3's binding though. Three, nice click, wow. Nothing on 6, little click on 5, 4, little click, 3, 2, nothing, 1. Okay, back to 6. 5 now. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, I'm just going to bounce it in case I've overset something. Back to 6, which is binding heavily. Aha, yes, we got it. That tension tool almost came out. Please don't turn into a rattle. That should do it. Now, do that. And yes, I can pull this out now, I think. Hold on. Yeah, all the way. So we're definitely unlocked. There we go. So not too bad. They felt all like standard pins, to be honest with you. Nice bitting, but all standard pins. Maybe there's something going on there, but looking at this, there aren't any sort of serrations on the key pins, or at least on the front one. But I've picked a lot worse. That felt nice and positive and clicky. It didn't feel too mushy or weird. So yeah, not too bad. Is it worth the money? I'm not sure. I think you'll have to tell me what you think to this lock in the comments below. Is it worth a few of your quid? As a sort of a relatively simple lock, something with a reasonably nice keyway. I don't know. A good bitting as well. I'd like to know what you think. I'll do read all the comments and reply to as many as I can. If you like this video, hit that like. If you want to see more content like this, then obviously subscribe to my channel if you think I deserve it. Hit that notification button to see when I next upload. All really helps me out and I really appreciate it. Otherwise, stay safe, happy picking, and I will see you all next time.